Welcome back to another video. Today, this is my World Roblox test, everybody. Now let's get into it. So right now, I literally don't even know what the hell I want to play with the hell. Like, I don't know who I want to pick first, is what I mean. I guess I'll start with this one because this one's good. Mainly meant for like just staying alive. It's really just meant to be like staying alive. I'm not gonna joke. I just hope that my gameplay is actually not that long, but I'm pretty sure it is. So I don't know. Okay. I think I'm fucked. God, of course, bro. Fuck. Freaking target again, bro. Like, bro. The fucking bullies can't get more bullies than this, bro. I'll tell you that much. Oh, well, it can't because I'm being glazed by this guy, too. Like, bro, is there not a person that doesn't suck this dick off? I ain't gonna lie. Might be saying too much, but like, bro, literally, bro, every time I record, it's like I just get glazed. I get glazed. To the point where it's like not even a point of me just showing the robot. If it's going to die. I'm being so dead ass. Bro. Y'all see what I mean? These guys are still on their stupid fucking sword fighting shit, bro. Oh my fucking god, bro. I can't. I fucking can't, bro. I'm already off to a fucking bad start, bro. Like, I'm not even fucking playing, bro. Like, I'm done with this shit, bro. I don't even know if these guys are actually in a group because, like, this shit is actually, like, so fucking, like, yo. Bro, I just want to be done with this shit, bro. I had one good recording, and you know what happened? You know what happened? I fucking lost it because they decided to end it at 17 fucking minutes. So I'd have half of a fucking gameplay left and a quarter of an introduction of another one. And then I don't even have an ending because it decided to fucking end the recording. I am getting tired of this shit. I'm not joking. This is my fucking 20th video. I'm already tired of this shit, bro. Like, I'm just tired of it. This guy is still here? Like, do you fucking love me?
Assist.
Jesus himself, bro. Yo, bro. Like, the dick sucks. God, bro. Yeah. Yo, yo, yo. Nah, bro, I can't with this shit, bro. This shit need to stop. Yo! Oh my god! I can't even show off fucking Titan, bro. Bro. Bro, I can't even show off a fucking Titan without me getting absolutely dick sucked. Bro, nah, bro. If this recording even makes it out, like genuinely, I fucking wanna kill myself. Like, I really want to, bro. Like, actually, bro, because this shit is just fucking irritating. This shit is irritating. Imagine being on your 20th video, spending fucking more than 24 hours at most, trying to get a video. Bro, at this point, I'm fucking done with this shit. Like, yo, I swear, the amount of times I show you guys how much I get fucking glazed could not be more than enough. There's no way. I'm not desperate for people. What I am desperate for is fucking bloodlust because I fucking hate these fucking robots. Like, bro has two. Bro has two of the same robot. Dude, I swear, bro, I actually hope your parents die. I'm not even joking. Like, not even as a side effect, just as a consequence for your existence. I'm not even playing. This might sound cringy as shit, but I don't fucking care, bro. Like, literally, bro, if you use this fucking robot every time and say it's your favorite, get the fuck out of here. Because I swear, this shit is like the most simplistic fucking robot I've ever seen. Are you dead ass? A robot with a sword. A robot with a fucking sword. Like, if you can't get more OG than that, then I don't even fucking know. Bro, they all have it. They all have it. At this point, I'm not even fighting against other robots. I'm just fighting against this one fucking one. This thing has the increased range too, bro. Bro, I'm about to lose my shit, bro. Bro, like, how many of the same fucking robot are we honestly gonna have to fucking face? This shit is just depressing, bro. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. This shit is just sad. And I still kill your bitch ass. You a faggot ass bitch. Sorry, bro. I'm like in the mood, bro. Like, I'm just wanting to kill every single one of those fucking robots. Like, genuinely, if I see this fucking robot in the next round with like 7 of them being there, bro, like, genuinely, I'm about to fucking quit. Being so dead ass. I've never seen a robot be glazed more than this shit right here. Yeah, and one. Still gonna cook your ass from beacon, but don't even play with me. Oh nah, I got one mission left. Nah, I got one mission left. Oh hell no. Oh hell no. I can't let him survive. I got anything to rush him? No. It's gotta be the one in the... I can't use any of that. Where you at? Where you at? Come here! Hate that bitch ass robot. I swear it should be a hate crime to eat that bitch ass robot. Why I ever seen that shit again? My teammate's getting cooked, bro. I wasn't there to save him. You know what? I'm gonna clutch this up for you, big dog. Don't you worry. Don't you worry about a thing. I'll clutch this up for you. Bro, of course this gas stuff. Come on, bro. I need one more beacon. Come on. I need to get rid of all the beacons. All these beacons need to stop being red. I don't even care about the beacon being there, bro. I need to get all of the beacons stop being red. Come on. Come on. Come on, at least stop being red. I don't care if it gotta turn blue. Stop being red. Come on, let's have a one-on-one. It's me and you. Just me and you left. Might as well, right? I mean, you know you ain't gonna kill me. Why even try? No, there's too much red. No. God. How the fuck I ain't win this shit, bro? No, man. I'm about to cry, bro. No, I'm joking. I ain't no weak ass little bitch. Man, that's some bullshit, though. I should have actually dead ass won that. That's some bullshit. I don't even know what happened to the other guy. It was supposed to be like a 3-on-1, honestly, but I guess he left. Anyways, well, that's the end of the vid. And please like and subscribe and come check me out on Twitch. After this, from like Monday and Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I might be able to get a vid, maybe some stream if I don't have to go with my mom, or if I don't have to leave or anything like that. But I have to visit family and stuff like that. I'm not saying I don't like to, but just saying stuff like that. But that's the end of the vid. Please like and subscribe, and hope you guys have a wonderful day, wonderful weekend, wonderful school day, wonderful work day, wonderful day in general, bro. And that's the end of it. Peace.